Restores and adds water repellency to weatherproof fabrics. Adds UV protection to prevent sun damage and double the lifespan of gear. Works best after application of Nikwax Tent Gear SolarWash. Spray on application. Great for use on tents, fly, backpacks, awnings, boat covers, umbrellas, patio furniture, and panniers. Water-based, biodegradable, and contains no PFCs, VOCs, optical brighteners, or added scent. Top reviews from the United States. It worked. So my gear is not cheap, but nonetheless I am not good at keeping it cleaned and put away nicely, etc. So within the first year my BAUL2 copper spur tent was leaking from the ground up and from the seams in the rainfly. If you are a hiker, you know it is going to rain no matter what. Finally I wised up, and after a good cleaning, I used the Nikwax as directed to the best of my ability. I followed up with the seam sealer, not sure if same brand, but I put that on the seams of my rainfly. It did rain as usual on my next hike and I stayed dry as a cucumber. I mean potato. You know what I mean. I was really happy and slept in confidence while the rain poured.